Considering trading with JustMarkets? Wondering if it's a reliable broker? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. So far this year, we've already tested 80 Forex and CFD brokers, so we've got a pretty good benchmark for comparison. In this video review, we'll break down the essential details about trading with JustMarkets. Can you trust JustMarkets with your money? Do they offer low spreads and fees? Is there a diverse selection of tradable instruments? We'll take you on a live tour of JustMarkets' trading platforms. And lastly, we'll give you our honest take on trading with JustMarkets. Highlight what type of traders this broker is most suitable for and who should probably stay away. Let's dive in. First up, if you're new to JustMarkets, here is a quick overview. Founded in 2012 and based in Cyprus, JustMarkets offers over 260 tradable instruments, including CFDs on currency pairs, commodities, shares, indices, and cryptocurrencies. For beginner traders, JustMarkets offers cent accounts for micro lot trading, demo accounts for practice, copy trading options, a range of educational materials, reliable 24/7 support, and negative balance protection. Advanced traders will appreciate the raw spread accounts with spreads starting from 0.0 pips, flexible leverage up to 1 to 3,000, and fast execution speeds. You can trade on the popular MT4 and MT5 platforms, along with JustMarkets' proprietary mobile app, a feature-rich addition to the package. But are there any hidden pitfalls to watch out for? Let's dig deeper into what they offer. Now, a quick note, if you're interested in checking out JustMarkets for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. Let's start by looking at the trading platforms available with JustMarkets. With JustMarkets, you can trade on the popular MT4 and MT5 platforms, available on desktop, web, and mobile. The desktop versions are packed with great features for advanced traders, like a wide range of indicators, multiple time frames, and one-click trading. For beginners, the web and mobile platforms are easier to dive into. The MetaTrader web platform got a recent upgrade and it now offers excellent charting options and a fast, efficient setup for trading. The broker also provides demo accounts so beginners can actually practice before trading with real money, along with a range of educational materials to help them get started. Traders with standard or pro MT4 accounts can also access a copy trading service. Where JustMarkets really shines is in its own mobile app for iOS and Android. With TradingView powered charts, over 100 technical indicators, 50 drawing tools, and a built-in news section, it's a great way to stay connected to the market and make informed trades on the go. Now let's take a closer look at the MT4 desktop platform and JustMarkets mobile app. But first, let's do a walkthrough of the popular MetaTrader 4 platform offered by JustMarkets. The interface is made up of 4 main panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. From the Market Watch panel, you can track the live prices of your favorite instruments, double-click to pull up the order ticket, and you can drag an instrument over to view its chart. If you'd like to see the spread for each instrument, you can right-click and select Spread. From the Navigator panel, you can toggle between different accounts and access custom indicators and expert advisors for automated trading. MT4 charts feature a robust range of over 60 technical indicators and drawing tools. One-click trading and trading from the chart are both available, allowing traders to be nimble and get in and out of the market fast. The platform is also highly customizable, and you can tile charts to view multiple markets at once. Finally, in the Terminal panel, you can track the live P&L of your open positions, your account history, and you can do things like set price alerts to be notified when the price reaches a specific level. Next, let's explore the JustMarkets trading app. We have 3 categories here at the bottom. In the Market tab now, we can see upcoming news events and different news announcements. It gives you some nice information regarding the news events and some details on how to analyze it. The market news covers many different currency markets, commodity markets, central bank news announcements, so a mix of different fundamentals and technical analysis. And if we click on one of the news announcements, it just gives us some details regarding trading different currency pairs. If we click on the trade tab at the top, you can see all the markets available: the majors, metals, cryptos, indices, stocks, commodities, exotic pairs, and miners. It's very easy to search for different markets. You can scroll through them very easily. If we click on a market, it opens up the charts, which are powered by TradingView. Very nice, clean functionality. You have a great selection of different time frames. There are also different chart types as well as different indicators. Many different indicators, which is great to see for a mobile trading app. To place an order, you can press the buy or sell icon here at the bottom, and multiple order types are available. You have market and pending orders. You can also attach stop loss and take profit levels to any type of order and adjust the lot size calculations here. So lots of really useful features for beginner and advanced traders. We gave JustMarkets a solid 4.1 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Next up, let's talk about something that can really impact your profits: trading fees. We tested JustMarkets' spreads on different instruments using its commission-free Pro CFD account during peak trading hours in the London and New York sessions. So, what do we find? Starting with Forex pairs, the spreads were very competitive. As shown in the table, the euro-dollar averaged 1.0 pips in London and 0.9 pips in the New York session, which beats the industry average of 1.08 pips. For pound yen, the spread averaged 2.1 pips during London, but went up to 2.9 pips in New York, slightly above the industry average of 2.44 pips. For stock indices, the results were mixed. The Germany 40 index had a spread lower than the industry average of 2.4 points during New York hours, but the Dow Jones 30 was more than double the industry average. On shares, spreads were very favorable. Apple CFDs, for example, had a spread of just 0.17 points, well below the industry average of 0.33 points. We also found attractive spreads on gold and Bitcoin. Overall, spreads were low and stable across most asset classes compared to other brokers. For swap fees, we found them to be on the medium to high side, so longer-term traders may want to take note. But there is no inactivity fee, which is helpful for less active traders. Swap-free trading accounts are also available for Islamic traders and clients with an extended swap-free level. Now, in summary, JustMarkets' fees are well suited to short-term and medium-term traders, earning a solid 4 out of 5 in the fees category. Now, on to what we believe is the most important question: can you trust JustMarkets with your money? Let's take a closer look. JustMarkets has been around since 2012, giving it over a decade of experience. It operates under 4 regulatory licenses, 2 from top-tier regulators, CySEC in Cyprus and the FSCA in South Africa, and 2 from lower-tier authorities, the FSA in Seychelles and the FSC in Mauritius. So what does this mean for you as a trader? The broker keeps client funds in segregated accounts, which means your money is kept separate from the company's operating funds. This ensures your funds are always protected and available when you need them. Plus, all JustMarkets entities offer negative balance protection, which prevents your account from going below zero if the market takes a sudden turn. However, only the CySEC regulated entity provides access to a compensation scheme, which protects your funds if the broker were to go bankrupt. Considering JustMarkets' 12-year track record and the essential protections it offers, we've given it a score of 4 out of 5 in the trust category, noting it as a reasonably trustworthy choice. Finally, let's look at the tradable instruments that JustMarkets offers. JustMarkets provides over 260 instruments, including 61 currency pairs, 12 commodities, 13 stock indices, 17 cryptocurrencies, and 164 share CFDs. This lineup covers all of the popular markets, and the 61 currency pairs are actually above the industry average of 55. However, the overall selection is still somewhat modest, making it a better fit for beginner traders. Overall, JustMarkets scored a 4 out of 5 in the tradable instruments category. In just a moment, we'll reveal our verdict on JustMarkets. But first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our team combines experienced analysts and pro traders. Over the last decade, we have reviewed countless Forex brokers, 80 just this year, and this gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top broker. So, is JustMarkets the right broker for you? Let's recap on what they bring to the table. Founded in 2012, JustMarkets operates through 4 entities with 2 licenses from the top tier regulators SISEC and FSCA. Each entity provides segregated accounts and negative balance protection. You'll have access to over 260 markets across Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptos, with flexible leverage options up to 1 to 3,000. The broker offers low, stable spreads on most markets compared to other commission-free accounts, along with fast execution speeds. You can trade on MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, with features suitable for all skill levels. Their proprietary mobile app, powered by TradingView charts and built-in market news, is a standout addition. Plus, they offer an impressive range of commission-free payment options with instant deposits and withdrawals. Now, on the downside, only the SISEC regulated entity has a compensation scheme to protect your funds if the broker goes bankrupt. Spreads on US stock indices were higher than the industry average. We also found that research and educational resources are a bit limited. Finally, the choice of desktop and web platforms is limited to MetaTrader. So, with these pros and cons in mind, who is JustMarkets suited for? Well, even with limited educational resources, beginners might find JustMarkets a good fit. The Cent account lets you trade micro lots, which is perfect for smaller accounts. Plus, there's a demo account to practice with before jumping in with real money, and a minimum deposit of just $10 makes it highly accessible. The easy-to-use JustMarkets app is also a great tool for new traders. Advanced traders will appreciate the robust feature of MT4 and MT5 with loads of indicators, drawing tools, and support for algorithmic trading to enhance your experience. Short-term traders can benefit from JustMarkets' competitive fee structure, but if you're a longer-term trader, be mindful of the higher overnight swap fees. In our evaluation, we awarded JustMarkets an overall score of 4.2 out of 5, reflecting an above-average offering. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description below or in the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about JustMarkets, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We will see you in the next video.